Question. DS. A certain sequence, B of n, has a property where B of n plus 3 is the average, arithmetic mean, of B of n plus 2, B of n plus 1, and B of n, where n is a positive integer. What is the value of B of 7? Condition 1, B of 1 equals 1. Condition 2, B of 3 equals 2. Solution. Let's solve this question using the variable approach. DS questions based on arithmetic operation-oriented sequences. An arithmetic operation-oriented sequence is a type of sequence where the operations of previous terms in the sequence determine the next term. Let's apply 3 steps of variable approach. Let's follow the first step of the variable approach by modifying and rechecking the original condition and the question. Then, we are looking for the value of the 7th term of an arithmetic operation-oriented sequence B of n, given that B of n plus 3 equals B of n plus 2 plus B of n plus 1 plus B of n whole over 3. Follow the second and third steps. From the original condition, we have 4 variables: B of n plus 3, B of n plus 2, B of n plus 1, B of n, and one equation. B of n plus 3 equals B of n plus 2 plus B of n plus 1 plus B of n whole over 3. To match the number of variables with the number of equations, we need 3 more equations. Since conditions 1 and 2 will provide just one equation each, it's about 80% likely that E would be the answer. Recall 3 principles and choose E as the most likely answer. Let's take a look at both conditions 1 and 2 together. Both conditions 1 and 2 together tell us that B of 1 equals 1 and B of 3 equals 2. However, since we don't know B of 2, we cannot determine the unique value of B of 7. Therefore, the conditions combined are not sufficient by CMT2, which states that the number of answers must be 1. Both conditions 1 and 2 together are not sufficient. Thus, E is the correct answer. Answer E.